Hi guys, welcome to my shop again. We have been playing around, have been out and about playing around with making the Bedini SSG with a fan. Been to another member's video, I'll probably post it in the link in the upper right here, who has converted these fans and has made some easy to follow instructions that even I can follow. So I have followed through with what he has said, and the results speak for themselves. This is the little fan that I've converted. I have taken this guy apart to give you an idea of what this looks like. I've got prepared here a little sample of what they look like. So here's a fan that is all in one piece. As he does, he peels the label off back here. He pulls this little clip off down in here that holds that fan in place, a little plastic clip, and then the fan will come apart. You take this off, and then you can pull this guy out, and you now have access to these various coils. So you remove the circuit board on back of this particular these four coils here. Get a good shot. Let's see if I can get a good shot. I'm usually pretty good at this. These four coils right here are what we're after. We're going to drive two of these are going to be used with the Bedini to act as a trigger coil. Two are going to act as a power coil. So I'm going to, on the back of this, remove the joints. There are three posts on the back of this board. 1, 2, 3 that I'm going to remove the solder joints from. After I do that, I will show you the next phase of this. Okay, we're going to give this a shot. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but okay. On this particular guy, you will see 1, 2, 3 metal posts. Now, this wire is too fine for me to really get up close with this, but needless to say, on this post right here, you see 1, 2, 3 metal posts. This post has 2 wires on it. So what I'm going to do is, this post right there has 2 wires on it. I'm going to put another post here, another post. I'm going to take a leg off of an old resistor that I have here, and I'm going to heat this up a bit and get him to stick. Then I'm going to solder one of these wires off of this. It has 2 posts on here. I'm going to move one of those to here. Then I'm going to connect 4 wires to each of these posts. So I'll do that, and we will be right back. Okay, I have put my little diode in here, which I'm going to clip. Now when you clip this off, you want to make sure that these are all the same height. I made a mistake one time and it was too high and I couldn't get it back in. So I'm going to clip this off and we'll go from the next stage. Okay, now that I have the wire, very, very fine wire, exposed, I'm going to get that in there clear of the coating, the epoxy coating that is on the wire. So I'm just going to take myself a little bit of flame. I'm just going to tip this just for a second, and then she's gone. All that coating is gone, and I'm ready to go to my post. I'm going to take this, wrap around the post, and solder on. Okay guys, I went ahead and soldered these on. I ohmed these out. I got about 83 ohms when I went from coil to coil. So let's put them back together and let's hook it up to SSG and see what we got here. I'll do that in my next step. Okay, I got him back on, the wires fed back through. I'm going to go ahead and put the fan back in. Snaps in. Give him a test spin. Spins pretty nicely. Flipping him over, put the clip back on for my bearing in this. But before that, I'll probably put a little bit of Duralube in there just for good measure. I am just going to show you. This is what a working one looks like. It's moving quite a bit of air. We'll just move everything out of the way. But pulling about 250 milliamps. I got it set. My 1K pot here, I can move it between right at 250 milliamps to 300 milliamps. So that's what she's all about, guys. I'm really happy with this guy. I guess he can keep pretty cool this summer.